My name is Kush Patel, and today in this video, we will look at the lead code problem number 55. It's a jump game problem. So in this problem, we have given integer array, and initially position we are positioned at array's first index. So we can jump at each element in the array represent our maximum jump length. So basically whatever number in which we are, that represent our maximum jump length. uh, we can see some examples. So here at initially we will be at the index number 1, which is number 2. So we have a 2 length of maximum jump. So we can either go to 3 or 1. So we will go to 3 because it's a bigger number. When we are at the index number 1, we have a maximum jump length of 3. So we can go to the 1, 1 and 4. So we have reached to the last index of the array. So that we returns that as a true. And same as a second example, you can see at the first index we have number 3. So we have maximum jump length of 3. So we can go to 2, 1 or 0. uh, if I go to any of these number, I cannot make it to the end, because if I go to 0, then I have a 0 jump length, so I can't jump. If I go here, then I have only one jump length, so same, I can't go ahead at the last index of the 0. So let's keep this in mind and let's try to solve that. So for this question, I will try to do firstly, if there is no not any error, like example number 1, no error, like I have current jump length greater than index I have to go, then I will put it as a true. So for that, let's write a loop first. And I will create an integer. Let's name it jump length. Initially, it will be 0. We will put its value in the first index only. So it will be maximum of either current index or past index. So we will also put it in the jump length. So we can write it as a jump length equal to x of either I plus. And if I is greater than, if current index is greater than jump length, then it's sure that I can't make it to the last index of the array. So I will put it as a false. Else, if loops continues, then I will return true. Let's try first. Okay, it's a syntax error. Okay, case 1 and case 2 are solved. Let's try to submit it. Okay, so as you can see, it beats 100% of the solutions, 0 millisecond of runtime. And so, thank you very much. I will see you in the next lead code problem.